how to verify your identity on Cash App, a step-by-step guide. Now, you will first need to open up Cash App, then you will click on your profile icon in the top right corner. If you have not verified your identity, the very first option here is going to be verify your identity. Once you click on it, then you will need to provide some personal information. So if you click on personal info here, then you will just click on continue. It is going to ask for your legal name. Once you provide your legal name here, then you will click on continue, and you need to type out your birthday. After you have typed out your birthday, it is then going to ask for your social security number. So you will need to provide your social security number as well. And once you provide your social security number, it might ask for some extra verifications such as ID card. And that should be the very last step. And after you provide all of that info, it is going to take a little bit to verify your information. And if the information is correct, then you will have a verified account with Cash App. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.